We're at Ancient Wood Shop this afternoon. We're shooting Jonathan's tabletop. Again, back out in the bright sunlight. Slightly deceiving in the color spectrum from what the video camera picks up, but overall I think you'll probably get a good idea of what we're looking at. We do not have our photo studio set up at the new shop yet, so we'll just have a walk around. Here's a really nice curl in this corner of this end of the table. And you can see the light playing in the grain as we go around. It's really stunning iridescence in this piece. While the sunlight throws the color a little bit, it really gets that iridescence to pop. And you see the shadow of our building in the background coming over the top of the slab as I walk backwards. And down on this end is where the strong color shifts are. You can see the brown that runs up the center of the table. And as we get down to this end, this is the dark area that you mentioned in your email, Jonathan. And so I'm hoping you can see this. You can see into the epoxy in this area on the ends. So it's not as black as you might think it is. However, it is definitely dark. There's no question about that. And here we've got another epoxy infill. And again, we can see into that infill. Our mission when we do this is to imitate an amber pocket that was in the tree when it was growing as it tried to repair itself. As we go further up, it gets a lot darker. And so one of the things that we can do if this is offensive or not going to work for you is grind these areas out and refill them. Certainly not our favorite choice of things to do at this point, but we can. So that we do not have to live with these. The slab itself is absolutely stunning. It's very pretty. Cool shape, full of iridescence, active grain, great color shifts, and of course this curl right on the end. Okay, we'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much. We're at www.ancientwood.com.